Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. In today's video, we're going to talk about Indian accent and this is going to be done by reading an article. So in this video, I am going to read one article in typical Indian accent. And by doing this, I would like you to become more familiar with Indian accent because while I would be reading the article, you need to focus on that particular point, vocabulary, word, and you need to observe how I pronounce that word. So that will make you become visible with closer to become familiar with Indian accent. So without getting late, let's jump into the article and I am going to start reading it. So here you can see on the screen the article we have is the latest in technology and AI, and the article is more likely to be about latest technology, about artificial intelligence. So I'm switching my accent to Indian accent and I'm going to read. After reading this article, I would be adding some of the points from my side and that too will be in Indian accent. The speed would be faster and you need to justify your accent. So let's go on. The future is here. How AI is changing our world. AI revolutionizing industries. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the globe from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. AI is driving innovation and efficiency. Smart algorithms are making process faster and smarter than before ever. Breakthrough in robotics and automation. Robotics advancements are reshaping the future of work. Autonomous robots, drones, and smart machines are taking on tasks once thought possible. The rise of automation is creating new opportunities and challenges. The rise, okay, the screen is not visible now. Yeah. So the rise of intelligence system. From advanced chatbots to creative AI, intelligence systems are becoming a part of daily life. The potential of AI is limit is offering new ways to solve problems, enhance productivity and lives. The future of technology is driven by the power of AI. Key trends to watch in AI in healthcare, autonomous vehicles, smart assistants, ethical AI concerns. Okay, so this was in a moderate speed. Now I'm going to change it to again a fast language where you need to be more focused on each and every vocabulary. Some of the words you need to focus more like how I pronounce the word process, possible, impossible, impossible, autonomous, creating opportunities. So you have to focus on these words and I'm going to read this again in faster speed. The future is here, how AI is changing our world. The AI revolutionizing industries. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the globe, from healthcare and finance to transportation and AI. Is driven innovation and efficiency. Smart algorithms are making process faster and smarter than ever before. Breakthrough in robotics and automation. Robotics are reshaping the future of work. Autonomous robots, drones, and smart machines are taking on tasks once thought possible. The rise of automation is creating new opportunities and challenges. The rise of intelligent systems, from advanced chatbots to creating AI, intelligent systems are becoming a part of daily life. The potential of AI is limited, offering new ways to solve problems, enhance productivity and lives. The key features we are going to talk about in here is AI in healthcare, autonomous vehicles, smart assistant, ethical AI concerns. The future of technology is driven by the power of AI. All right, now I am going to give you some insight about the topic in typical Indian accent. So the article is more likely to talk about how AI is affecting different part of our life. You can see like here in the AI is there in healthcare. Now all the machines are being driven by AI because if AI is being used in the machinery or in technology, especially in healthcare, it has been very easy for the people to diagnose the problems because nowadays the people are facing big issues, big diseases are there. But if they use AI, it is very easy. It takes less time to find out to diagnose the problem, the kind of disease the people are having. Along with this, we find in daily life also we find that the AI technology is getting very impressive results. Like nowadays we use a cell phone. With the help of cell phone, now you can check all the data which is being driven from entire world. So it's been very easy for the people now to be continue with the AI and artificial intelligence like a ChatGPT or the other AI tools are there to create images, to create videos, or to get in-depth knowledge about something. Especially for the people who are working professional, it is very easy for them to create reports, slides, and to prepare any kind of sheets, email, everything. So AI is helping the people, and it's been really very good for the people to use AI. All right, so now it is done and now you need to replay the video to check which word you feel that I pronounce in Indian accent has a change in American accent. So thank you so much for giving this much of your time, and I'll see you in the next video.